Alright everyone, eyes are primed and let's get started. So I'm taking this Anastasia brush. This is one of their brushes that comes with their palettes. And I'm going to be taking the LA Colors palette that I love the most. It's like blues and greens. So I'm just going to be taking the green from that palette and I'm going to be using it as our crease color. Really, to be honest, I did not know what I was going with this look. But I'm kind of glad that I did get where I was going with this look because the results, y'all, I was so proud of myself at the end. Normally I don't do this step, y'all, but I am going to do it anyway. So now I'm going to be taking the black from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to be taking a Coastal Scents pointer brush, and I love their brushes. I love Coastal Scents brushes, and they actually, y'all, Coastal Scents actually liked this look on my Instagram. Like when I say I had a moment, I screamed like there was no tomorrow. And that's what we want. We want brands to like our post, like my post. Like I'm like, I was so happy. Anyways, I'm just gonna take that black and I'm just gonna blend it to the crease. And I was a little bit scared at first because I didn't want this black to look like I had raccoon eyes, but it didn't really turn out that way. So, but I'm just gonna take it. And the key to doing this step, you want to be very gentle as you apply, because if you don't, it's going to look like you have raccoon eyes. I'm going to be taking the 28 Neutral palette from Coastal Scents, and I love this palette because this palette is the palette that you need to start out in makeup. Like, I really recommend you doing it. As you can tell, this is my favorite shade that I like to use. So now I'm going to be taking that brown shade, and this trick here is basically going to clean up all of the harsh lines, fade out that black a little bit because that black is doing the most right now. The black is not cute. Let's just be real. But we're going to work with it. Okay, so we just took the brown. I'm going to apply it over the green. Not really necessarily on the green because you want the green to still show. But I just apply it over the green. And then after I applied it over the green, I kind of applied it with the black to where it won't look like it's so much black in the eye. Well, we had some issues with cutting the crease in this look, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I made it work. I went the cheating way. I didn't, nail it like I somewhat nails it sometimes. So what I did was I took the brush. I know, I took the brush. It kind of helped a little bit more. It kind of controlled the concealer. And it kind of helped with the look a little bit. Usually I don't do it, but I took the brush. And I kind of used the Urban Decay brush. But I took the brush and then I used Urban Decay brush. And I kind of like glide a little bit. But the key to the brush though, from the concealer, it actually gives more control and creates that line that you're trying to create with the brush itself. So I kind of did not break the rules, which I was kind of happy about myself. So pats on the back. But basically, I'm just cutting the crease. Okay, so this step is very important. You just take a setting powder or like a powder that's closer to like a midnight banana powder. You set the concealer. But what I used was eyemei powder. I love this powder. But this look can be kind of cute with some white eyeshadow too. But we didn't go all the way out for that. Now I'm going to be taking an LA Colors brush. And then I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty palette. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below what is the actual name of this palette. I keep saying rose gold on Instagram. I don't know. I don't. Tell me the name of this palette. Somebody. Taking 24 karat magic in the air. Okay, so taking 24 karat magic. Shout out to Bruno Mars for that hot song, because you know that's my boy. I love Bruno. Taking that, I just basically just packed this eyeshadow on. I didn't do no sweeping. I just threw the shadow on, and I was like, whoa. Even though this is a fake dupe for this palette, these shadows though, y'all can't be sleeping on. I know it's hard to not resist. To resist the fake ones. It's kind of hard, but hey, look, you do what you do. Like, do what you do, boo. It works. Just look at the pigmentation. Can y'all just absorb the pigmentation? Like, just look. Somebody just tell me if that thing ain't pigmented or not.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get gang.
So basically, we're gonna be lining our upper lash line with a creamiest. When I say the creamiest eyeliner that I could ever meet. Like, this is bae Color Maze eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like the best, no lie. Whew, I love this eyeliner so much. It just gives me life, you guys. It gives me life. It slays. Ooh, wing action. Hey boo, you cute. Okay, like, I just absolutely love it. I just can't get enough. Going back in with the same palette, and I'm gonna be taking Subdued. Wait a minute, what? This is Subdued. I can't with myself today with these names. I'm just like, this is just not what we have to do. Okay, so basically, as you can see, that I am applying it as my brow bone color. Wanted to do something so not too over the top with the brow bone. I did not want to apply a white eyeshadow. I want to do like more of a neutral, because I wanted that gold, the 24 karat magic, just, But all the way done is the eyes. So now we're going to work on these lips. We got to get these lips slayed with this look. Like, come on. Not finna do is not complete this look without any lip gloss or any lips products in general. Okay, so what we're going to do is take my favorite lip liner pencil, my favorite chocolate lip liner pencil. This is Shimmer Brown, hands down, for Wet n Wild. And we're going to be taking another Wet n Wild lip product, which is definitely my favorite. It was the Mauve Out of Here, I think. Yes, Mauve Out of Here. But this is completed look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what other looks you would like to see. Any colorful looks, because I am all here for it. So let me know. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys. so now that we have our eyes primed, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Treats